Well, hey there folks, looks like we got another thing from BlueDio. Yeah, this time it's Bluetooth speakers, so these but this is a complete unbiased review for me. I haven't even opened the box yet. I did buy these, I guess about a month ago, and I kind of like them. These were 29 bucks, and those are also BlueDio, just Bluetooth headphones, and I like those. So this one, let's see, of course it's got a Bluetooth connection, it has a line in, and then it might have some other stuff. Bluetooth version 4.1, so that's good. Up to 32 feet distance, and I think the driver is 52 mil times 2, so yeah, not the biggest, but it should be able to put out a good sound. Maybe 5 watts or something like that. It's got some interesting packaging too. We'll just crack that open. What have we got inside here? And there you have it. There's your aux and your USB, and then on top we've got, of course, the power button. Let's see if it connects. Or if it has any juice, I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to charge this.
Power on.
Oh goodness, alright. So let's pair this up. Let me figure that out first. Now if it's the same as the headphones, you just hold down the power. Or I think it is power off first.
Power off.
Then you power it back on. And hold it for, I don't know, a long time. Until it tells you to actually...
Power on.
Power on.
Pairing.
Alright, now it's pairing. Let's see if it pairs. Showing up on my phone is a BS-3, so we're good to go. That box. There you go, we're watching one of my videos of the last BlueDio device. So this one actually is pretty loud. Let's crank it up here.
If you don't want to run Bluetooth, you can still run a cable.
I don't know what the... Should go a bit higher than that, maybe not.
Awesome. And then we've got the mic.
I don't know what...
Charge it up.
It has like a 3D mode?
But I'm guessing a couple.
It has like a 3D mode as well. I don't exactly know what that does. And an M, which should say on the box for mute. And yeah, so M, 3D mode, volume up, down, and then connection. So it's simple. It's easy. It's basically just like the headphones. This is from a distance, obviously, so check your distance. Still sounds good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I know it's just a quick little review of a cheap kind of Bluetooth speaker, but it works and it came charged actually, which is nice. Thanks for watching again. See you next time.